This has got to be the most epic moment in history, where the Jewish people came to the mountain of Sinai. It says, Vayichan Sham Yisrael Neged, how the Jewish people were there encamped. If you heard the Hebrew word I said, I didn't say Vayachanu Sham, they encamped by the mountain of Sinai. I said Vayichan Sham Yisrael, he camped. He? A couple of million people, 600,000 men over the age of 20, plus women, children. What kind of a singular expression is this? He camped. And we know what our sages tell us, that at that moment, when they arrived at the mountain of Sinai, ready to receive the Torah, they were Ke'ish Echad Belev Echad, united like one person, with one heart. They wanted to receive the Torah. They felt united as one. You know how they felt united as one? Because there's something in each and every Jew that is unique, special, and identical to that spark, that Jewish spark, that's in every other Jew. So when they got to Sinai, what came to the forefront before this most momentous event in history, it never happened before, never will happen, God revealing himself in the mountain of Sinai, when they arrived at that destination, what became revealed by them, what became literally palpable in their reality, was that unique, intrinsic spirit of soul, which made them all identical, which made them all unanimous, which made them all united as one. That's what was at the forefront. And that's a beautiful, beautiful moment to think about, and as the Rebbe teaches us, to share. Because in every human, there's also a kindred spirit. In the image of God, man was created. And therefore, the message that the Jewish people got at Sinai was to spread this unison, this kindred spirit, this identicality, the sameness, the commonality that exists between all the children of God, between all those who are created in the image of God, between humanity in general, and share that there's a mission that God gave at Sinai, the mission of the universal laws, the 613 mitzvot for the Jewish people, and the 7 universal laws of morality, the laws of living a life of tikkun olam, where the world is a settled place, not a jungle, God forbid, that there's an eye that sees, there's an ear that listens, that there's divine morality, you shall not kill, you shall not steal, the 7 universal laws for life, which we, the Jewish people, are entrusted with. And we need to bring this spirit of unity that we engaged with, that we experienced at the moment of Sinai, and share that, so that the entire human race, all those that are created in the image of God, feel that responsibility for each other, that responsibility for doing what God wants of all of us here on earth, the mosaic of having a complete, wholesome, peaceful world will be ushered in with Mashiach, but it's up to us to try our best as Jews and to try and spread that message we've been empowered to spread with the entire human race.